Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sign up for Fashion Nova. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fashion Nova application. Now guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Fashion Nova videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the Fashion Nova home screen, as you can see, where we have some things for women, we have plus curve, men, kids, beauty, so we have some filters here. In the top side, we of course have the search for anything, where you can go and search for anything in the Fashion Nova store. On this next bar, we have the shop, where you can see everything that you can actually go and buy. We have the bag, where you can go and have everything that's in your bag here in one place. My bag is at the moment, of course, empty, as you can see, but you can, of course, go and add items. Here we have the wish list. So basically, a wish list is where you have everything that you liked and want to buy maybe in the near future. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and sign up on Fashion Nova. So basically click on the bottom right corner on me. Then here guys, as you can see, sign in or create an account. You need to go and put your email address. So as so. Now when you do that, click continue. And then you just need to wait for the account to be created. And here, of course, you need to put your information. So guys, just so you know, the information that I'm putting is not real information. It's just for the sake of this video. So when you put all of this information, guys, that you want, just click create account and your account will be, guys, of course, created. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.